Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Oliphant. For those who don't know, I hope you are doing good. So today's video is a hair review, and this gorgeous wig is from Yolissa Hair. It is a 13x4 HD lace front wig, and it is 22 inches long with a 200% density. This wig came with the knots bleached and the hairline was also pre-plugged, and it being an HD lace wig made the installation process so much easier. So I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled this hair, and then I'll catch you at the end. Enjoy!
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side, and whatever comes through clear. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part, we see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the heart. Wrist on the wrist, a link of charms, yeah. Laying wrist, still a link apart. Like we could die all young, like we could die all blind. If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it till the end. If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it till the end. Right on the fence.
This has to be one of the best wigs I've ever worked with, and installing it was quick and easy. And also, let's get into these curls. How stunning. Like, I'm literally obsessed, and the hair is so soft and not heavy at all. So I just decided on a half up, half down hairstyle. A huge shout out to Yolissa Hair for this beautiful unit, and all the details and the links are down below in the description box for you. So please do check that out. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.